Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn about how to check if a file exists in a bash script or not. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So we have already the bash scripting over here, right? So bin bash is already added, right? Let's comment this section. Let's check. Okay, so here we have the tutorial. So first of all, we have to write the file, which file you want to check. So here we go with that file. So this is the file path currently which exists. Okay, I have added this path. Next, we have to check if the file is exist or not. If the file is there, then file exists, else file does not exist. This is a simple line of code that you need to write to check the file. Okay, so here we go with this one. Save this. Let's try to run. File exists. If I put something else, test2.txt, then what will happen? File doesn't exist. Okay, so this is very simple line of command that you can write to check whether the file exists or not. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.